I'm Bonnie B. Welcome back to Hidden Crowns channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly put on your halo extension. Let's get started. So after you get your halo extension by Hidden Crown fitted properly, now is the time to get acquainted with how to put it on the proper way as well. There are improper ways and proper ways to doing so. Before you've worn it a whole day or not, it needs to be molded to your head shape. So the first couple hours that you have it on, it's gonna feel a little bit insecure, you're gonna feel movement, and you're gonna be very aware of it. So give it a few hours to mold to your head shape. The heat from your scalp is super hot and it will mold very quickly, and before you know it, you're not gonna be able to feel it as much, and it's gonna feel a lot more secure and wearable for you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna show you how to put it on properly by parting the top half of my hair up. This is the easiest way to learn how to put on your halo extension, to make sure that you don't pull too much of your hair up and over. If you pull too much of your hair up and over, it can put tension on the extension, which can then put tension on your scalp, and we wanna avoid that. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, where I have mine fitted is about 1.5 inches back from my hairline. Keep in mind everybody's head shape is different. So what I'm doing is making sure that my parting, where the wire is going to lay, is where all the hair is up and out of the way, so that I can lay the wire there and there isn't gonna be too much hair laying under the wire when I put it on. I'm gonna clip this out of the way. As you can see, I part pretty high up. I don't have very much hair. My hair is very thin, as you can see, and it's shorter, but this is plenty of hair for me to go ahead and hide the weft in the back. And I know that a lot of people get a little insecure about that, but keep in mind that it's flat to the back of your head and your hair goes over it, and you can even tease it if you have thinner hair than me to hide it if you need to. So when you go to put it on, you do not want your hands under the extension. You will not have full control over this. So you want complete control when you're putting it on, and you want to start with control of the wire first. You want to not make any moves for the back until your wire is secure in the place that you need it to be and it doesn't move. So keeping your fingers on top like little claws or little clippers. So I have a good hold on the two corners where the wire meets the weft, and I'm going to come around and I'm going to focus only on putting the wire where it needs to go. So watching the two corners here and what I do with my fingers once I have my wire in place, now I'm going to press the two sides, the two corners against my head. As you can see, I have not done anything back here just yet, because I wanna make sure that this wire stays put. If you don't make sure the wire stays put where it's supposed to go, what's gonna happen is it's gonna slide back on you, and then when you go to pull your hair up and over, or you go to continue to put it on, it's just gonna keep moving, and it's just gonna be a hassle for you, and you're gonna get frustrated. So making sure the wire is right where it's supposed to go is going to make sure that this back here is a snug fit. So see there, this is very snug around my head shape where it was fitted. It's not a headband, so it's not supposed to come right here and down and around the nape of your neck. You do not want the weft hanging down low, and you do not want your wire sitting far back. Everybody's head shape is different, so just try to get your best proper fitting that you can. Just keep in mind from the hairline, it's anywhere from 1 to 2 inches that you're wanting to stay in, and you want the two sides about 1 inch or 2 inches maybe above your ear, and then the back weft area should sit snug, not too tight, not too loose, right at the occipital bone, right there. And you should be able to see your parting above the weft. You do not want any hair bunched up right over the weft, because that's gonna put tension on the extension and it'll cause you a mess, and it can cause some discomfort, so you wanna avoid that. All right, moving on, go ahead and let your hair down. And the very most important last step that you're going to do, you must do this, is comb every hair strand that is laying under the wire out from laying under the wire. So what we do here is taking your Hidden Crown rat tail comb. I'm going to somewhat aggressively comb horizontally to the side. As you can see, the hair is sliding under, so you don't want to go diagonal, back, forward. You don't want to be like, you know, like too sensitive with it. You want to make sure the teeth grab your hair strands from laying under the wire. This anchors the wire in place, it hides the wire, and it ensures that your hair is safe from the wire. I even go all the way to the knotting to make sure there's no hair laying under there or tied up around the knotting. But keep in mind that when you're parting the top half of your hair up, making a clean parting where that wire goes makes this part super easy for you. And that feels really good. This is my 14-inch Daydream. Oops. Color number 60-8. And that's how easy it is to put your halo extension on. Keep playing around with it, keep doing it. The more you do it, the more you wear it, the easier it's gonna be. It's gonna find its home once it's molded onto your head shape, and it will stay in place if it's fitted properly. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can find tons of content on everything you need to know about owning and wearing a Hidden Crown hair extension. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.